Hello my beautiful besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi and I am back from being sick with a set that I did more than a week ago, because I did these before I got sick and had them ready for the 23rd last week. But I just got my feet knocked out from underneath me by what I'm guessing is the flu. While I tell you about that, we're going to polish these nails. 3 of them are going to be in this real pretty sandy color. And then the other 2, one's yellow, one's white. And everything's getting 2 coats. So let me tell you, me and my grandson went to... I'm trying to figure out the exact timing, because I either got sick at TJ Maxx or at this flea market I go to called a session. If you know what a session is, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. It's not a big deal. Anyway, I got sick either one of those 2 places, and it took several days for it to incubate in me and for me to get sick. Not 10 full days, so I don't think it was COVID. Plus, I'm fully vaccinated for COVID. Now, on this nail, we are turning this into a pencil, a red pencil. And we're doing color pencils today because this is our back to school set. I'm sorry that I'm a little bit low in the frame. The reasoning for that is something I'll tell you in a second. So anyway, don't think it's COVID. I'm fully vaccinated for that, and there's no way that the incubation period was long enough for it to be COVID. So, I mean, unless I got it before that even, and that seems unlikely. I hadn't really been anywhere. So, me and my grandson both got sick. And so I feel like maybe it was at TJ Maxx, but he and I, not him, just I, had gone to the session on that Monday or Tuesday. So it took several days for me to start to get sick. Like, I didn't feel bad until Saturday. So like 3 days. So that's pretty normal, I guess. And at first I didn't think I was that bad. I thought I had a tiny cold. But by the time Monday rolled around, I knew that I was really, really bad sick, and there was just no way that I was going to be able to make this video happen. There was no way I was getting out of bed, and I did stay in bed for several days. Like, I barely ate food. I just had water next to me, constantly drinking water. My daughter was helping me get my dog outside. I literally couldn't do anything. It was just hard to go to the bathroom. So now on this one, we're making a piece of paper. And as you can see, I'm just trying to even out that stripe a little bit. And as you can see, we're coming back in with some red. Do it, because it's going to be like striped paper, right? And it's always got that red line down the one side and blue. The rest of them are blue. Sorry, I can't speak clearly. I am very sick while I'm doing this, and I'm trying to get it ready for Tuesday, but as you can see, I'm doing a pretty hideous job, and that is because at this point I'm shaking and I am very, very sick. So you do not get to see me put the A+ on the paper because it is really hideous. That footage is just awful, and so I apologize for that. But even being really, really sick, I think this set came out pretty darn cute. I love the color pencils. I think they are my favorites. The ruler is adorable. I could have tried to put lines, or I mean numbers, but lines were all that was in my capability at this point. Honestly, there we go. Not feeling so good right there. I am not 100% now, guys. I'm 70% at best. So I am, my daughter is now starting to show signs of getting sick. So I'm going to be spending the next few days helping out with the grandson. I'm going to do my best to get some more videos out for you guys, but this is the finished set. I think it came out super cute for back to school, and I hope that you agree with me. I know today's video is really short and it was all about me being sick, so I apologize for that. But I do appreciate you coming by to watch today. We are going to see you very soon, hopefully on Thursday, because I got some ideas. And until then, mwah, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Keep it glam.